Hello and welcome to our Kickstarter. I'm Jeremy, founder of Deathscyp, and we're very happy to show you what we've been pre-developing for the past year or so. Now, like many others, I lost my job when the pandemic happened in March 2020, but in my case, I'm fairly grateful that it did happen because it was the final push I needed to fully commit myself into my own hopes and dreams, which were to create my own gaming company and to make my own games. Also fortunate is that I found a team around the same time that has been working with me ever since then. Now the game we're presenting to you today is called SoulCipher, The Code Within. SoulCipher is going to be a 2.5D side-scroller Metroidvania that takes place into a devastated futuristic world called Deathscyp. I've always been a big fan of the genre since the very first Metroid and Castlevania. The futuristic, cold and forgotten environments from Super Metroid, for example, is a great inspiration for us for our game. Many other recent titles will reflect in our game, but we will add our own little touch to them so that you can get a unique and original new experience. Learning how to make video games was always a big part of my life, and thanks to the strong UE4 and to the other 2D software communities out there, it is now possible to make your games thanks to them. And I try to give back to it with my own tutorials when time allows it. And now that I have a team that shares this passion, it's time for us to turn to you guys for support so that we can deliver this great experience to you all. So thank you very much for your support, and I hope to see you in the next demo live.